Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ade Ismalia from kelas 1 KP3. Here I will presentation about motivation and communication. Motivation and communication. Understanding motivation. Motivation is the availability to exert a high level of effort for organizational goals conditioned by the ability of that effort to meet multiple individual needs. In general, motivation is the power that is in a person, which drives his behavior to take action. The level of ability within a person to perform a task or achieve a goal shows the level of motivation. Motivation driving factors. There is 3. 1. Energize, 2. Encourage, and 3. Exhorting. Step to facing challenge in motivation. 1. Individual differences are not of the cause of low motivation that must be considered. 2. Motivation is necessary to understand the difference between motivation and performance. 3. Motivation is goal direct, so the process and goal setting must be carried out through proper procedures. 4. Feedback provides the information needed to keep works focused on the task. 5. It should not be forgotten that organizational culture significantly influences employee motivation and behavior. Form of motivation: job inputs and job rewards. Motivation method: direct motivation and indirect motivation. Definition of communication. Communication comes from Latin, namely cum is called a preposition which means with or together with, and the word unit is a number word which means one. The word from the word communion, which in English is called communion, which means togetherness, unity, joint fellowship, association, or relationship. According to Harwood, communication is more technically as a process for conducting the memories. Communication process. There is 5 communication process. 1. Communicators. 2. Message. 3. Communication media. 4. Communicate, and 5. Feedback. Form of communication. 1. In terms of conveying the message. 2. In terms of message packaging. 3. In terms of packaging the officiality of the communication actors. 4. In terms of communication partners. Communication function. 1. Information function. 2. Command and interactive function. 3. The function of influence and persuasion or motivation. 4. Integration function. 5. Emotional expression function. 6. Evaluative function. Building effective communication. The word effective is often interpreted to achieve the desired goals that are actual and real. This effective communication can be defined as the recipient of a message by communication receiver in accordance with the message sent by the sender or communicator. Then the receiver or communicant responds as is meant. So, effective communication occurs when there is a two-way flow of information, namely between communicators and communicants. Okay, that's presentation for me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.